Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool right here, and basically what this is a step ladder. You can see it's from a brand called HBTower. And we see in the bottom right here, they mention how it's a 3-step ladder, and it comes with a trade option. And I currently have another one that doesn't have the trade option, but it's basically the same thing with a 3-step ladder option. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what it actually looks like and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright. So when you guys first take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like right here. So basically this is what you guys get inside the package right here. But I'm going to take off the wrapper first to show you guys what the product looks like and also show you guys how to use it. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like right here. And inside you can see they provide you guys some accessories right here. So they provide you guys a bunch of these tools right here, and they also provide you guys a user manual. Let me show you what it actually looks like first. So here is basically what's included inside. You can see all the different tools inside right here. And right here they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. If we turn it to the other side, this is what it looks like on this side right here. So we need to cut this part open first and then set this part up right here. So basically what's included inside, they provide you guys the handlebar option right here. And then right here is a tray option. So you basically want to set this up inside right here. Alright. So first thing you guys want to do is open up the actual ladder first. Alright, so once you guys open it up, you basically want to lock it in first. So once you guys got it locked in right here, you basically want to actually set up the top part here. So first thing I'm going to do is take off this part here first. And then you basically want to put the bar inside right here on top first. You basically want to insert it right here, inside. Alright, once you guys got it in, you basically want to screw it in. Alright, so once you guys got it in, you want to basically get the A screw right here and put it on the other side right here. Alright, so once you guys got it in, you basically want to use the screw accessory right here to actually screw it in. And while you guys are screwing on one side, you basically want to use the other accessory to actually hold on the other side. So just like this. Make it as tight as possible. Alright, so once you guys got that done, you guys want to do the same thing for the other side as well. Alright, so once you guys finish that part, you guys want to actually install the actual tray option right here. So when you guys install the tray option, you guys want to pull this part down like this. You basically want to set up like this. And then on the side right here, you basically want to fit the hole on the side right here, but inside right here. And then basically later on, you guys want to screw this part into the bottom part right here, which I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. So you basically want to get the D screw and also the A screw to actually screw it in. Alright, so you basically want to do the same thing for the other side as well. Alright, so once you guys got it in, you basically want to screw it in. Alright, so let's screw it in. Alright, you basically want to do the same thing for the other side as well. Alright, so once you guys finish the top part here, you basically want to install the bottom part, which is this part right here. So you basically want to get the remainder screw and actually screw it in. So the A screw should be on the outside, and the inside should be the other screw. Alright, so just like this, and you basically want to screw it in. You guys want to use the two tools. Alright, so that should be good. And you basically want to do the same thing for the other side as well. Alright, so once you guys finish setting the product, you guys can see that this is basically actually looks like. So it took me no more than 5 to 10 minutes to actually set it up. Compared to like the actual 3-step ladder, I didn't need to actually do any setup on that one. This one actually needed to add the tray, that's why it took a little bit longer. But basically the way how you guys close it up is like this. And this is basically actually looks like when you guys close it up. When you guys want to put it out, all you need to do is open it up like this. You basically want to put this part in like this, and you have to basically all set. And when you guys actually use the product, it actually has good support on here as well. Like even when you use the highest one right here, it definitely has a good support on here as well. But definitely love the fact that how it actually has the tray option on here, so that way it's actually much easier for you guys to do stuff. If you guys are painting stuff, or if you guys need to read stuff, if you guys want somewhere to put stuff, you definitely have the option available right here. And I also really like this option on top as well. It definitely gives you guys very good grip when you guys actually use the ladder option right here. Before I show you guys the other one, let me actually bring a close-up view to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so here is a close-up view of what the product looks like. So you can see we have 3 different steps on here. And right here is basically the tray option. So you basically have the spot right here to put stuff. You have this spot to put stuff. You have this spot to put stuff. You basically have these options here as well. You definitely have all these available on here, and each one of these has a label on here, so that way you know what to put on here. Or if you don't put other stuff on here, you definitely can as well. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys fully set it up from the front side. If you guys look from the back part, this is what it looks like in the back right here. And the cool thing about these ladders right here is the fact that on the bottom right here, they do have a good foundation and support. so that way the product won't be moving around when you guys set it up and install it. And in terms of the weight limit on here, it actually supports up to 500 pounds, which is pretty awesome. Let me show you the other one that I'm talking about to do a side-by-side comparison. Alright, so here is a side-by-side comparison between the 3-step ladder that we have right here versus the 3-step ladder that we have on this side that comes with a tray option. So regardless, if you guys want to get this one or that one, both of them work really, really well. And both of the weight limit on here is 500 pounds. So if you guys step on here, it definitely has a good amount of weight capacity on here. And it basically works the same way in terms of how to open it and how to close it. So basically we're going to go like this to close it up. And if you guys want to open it up, just open it like that. And you basically want to push it down right here to lock it in. And then it's basically all set for this one. Whereas for the other one right here, it basically works the same way. Only difference for this one right here is the fact that it comes with a tray option. But definitely when you guys step on top right here, it definitely has a good amount of weight capacity on here, or weight limit. Definitely give you guys a good amount of support on here. So here is a side-by-side comparison between both of these ladders right here. I do have one more that I want to show you guys to give you guys another perspective of what that ladder looks like as well. Because that one does not feel as safe, but a lot of people buy that one as well. So I wanted to show you guys that one as well. Alright, so here is the dirt one. So this one right here is definitely the most portable one. But when you guys actually use the product, it doesn't feel that stable. Let me actually open up and show you guys what I mean. So the way how you guys open it, all you need to do is push it down. And once you guys push it down, it actually locks up in the bottom. But definitely when you guys step on top right here, if you guys see when we try to move it, there's a lot of movement on here compared to the other two that I show you guys. Those actually feel a lot more stable, and this one does not feel as stable. And the weight limit on here is 330 pounds. And the way how you guys close it is a little bit different as well. You have to go like this in the bottom part, and then pull it up to actually close it like that, if you can see. But this is basically a side-by-side comparison between all three right here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually work or not. So between all three of these ladders that we have right here, I would definitely have to say that both of these right here is actually much more worth it than this one right here. Because this one feels like a cheaper material and doesn't feel as good as a support when you guys step on top of right here. Whereas for both of these ladders that we have right here, they're both of the HBTower brand. One of them is a 3-step ladder, but this one right here is also a 3-step ladder, but it comes with a tray option. So depending if you guys want a tray option or if you guys don't want a tray option, that is up to you guys. But definitely for both of these right here, it's actually really worth it. But this one not so much. And I also really like the fact of how all three of these right here are foldables and definitely save a lot of space when you guys set it up. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.